Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're going to make a lovely roasted tomato galette. This rustic free-form tart combines slowly roasted tomatoes, smoked paprika, and garlic, and it's all wrapped together in a cheese pastry. To me, it's 1 part pizza, 2 parts pie, and every part delicious. Our tart starts by prepping the tomatoes, by removing the stem core and cutting them into large pieces. And place your tomatoes on a parchment-lined baking tray. Next, we'll peel 6 cloves of garlic. Add the garlic to the tomatoes, smoked paprika, along with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Give it all a good toss, and then spread out evenly. Roast in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for 90 minutes, turning once. And while our tomatoes are slow roasting and concentrating their flavor, we're going to go ahead and prep our pastry. So to a food processor bowl, we'll add all-purpose flour, cold unsalted butter that has been cut into chunks, dried oregano, and kosher salt. And pulse until the mixture is crumbly. Add freshly grated Parmesan cheese and pulse a couple times to combine. In a small bowl, whisk together an egg with vinegar and cold water. Add to the flour and pulse until it starts to pull away from the sides, adding an additional tablespoon of cold water if necessary. And dump the dough onto a lightly floured surface and work into a ball. Form into a flat disc about 1 inch thick. Wrap in plastic wrap and chill for about an hour. And here's our slow roasted tomatoes. And give the garlic a little bit of a mash with a fork. Toss and allow to cool slightly. Place your dough on a lightly floured surface and sprinkle with a little more flour. Roll into an approximate 14-inch circle. The dough may seem stiff at first, but it will soften as you continue to roll it. And now we'll carefully roll our pastry onto our rolling pin and transfer it to a parchment-lined baking tray. We'll place our roasted tomatoes in the center of the pastry, leaving about a 2-inch border. Fold the pastry up and over the tomatoes, overlapping as you go. And remember, it's a rustic, free-form tart, so there's no need for perfection. And to the center, we'll add a chiffonade of fresh basil, grated mozzarella or provolone, and freshly grated Parmesan. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 large egg with a tablespoon of water. Brush generously onto the pastry and bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 30 minutes until golden. Allow to rest a few minutes before slicing. Slow roasted tomatoes are just simply wonderful with their concentrated flavor, and they really do make a lovely tart. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.